Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Konstantin. Let's have a go at reverse bay parking today. First of all, we need to check that the mirrors are set properly. If the mirrors are set incorrectly, you will make the maneuver much harder or even impossible. Okay, so that's the view in my mirror now at the moment, and it seems like to be completely wrong. I'm gonna try to adjust it in a proper position so I can just see a little bit of the side of my car. So for that I'm just gonna move the mirror out. I think that's too much. 1 second. There we go. And now what I'm looking for is for the red car, and I'll have to adjust the mirror so I can see just above the red car, top of it. So let me set the mirror down. A little bit too much in here. Let's go back. It's just about there. Now my mirror is set properly. Okay then, so I'm gonna use those bays just past the recycling point. As I approach the base, I do want to be somewhere close to the base on the left. Just like this. As you can see, I've got 5 or 6 empty bays. I'm now gonna turn my focus to the mirror. And what I'm looking for here is to put the mirror in the bay. So if you look at the moment, you can see the white line touching the mirror. I need to go farther forwards. I'll just put that mirror clearly in the middle of that bay. This is my point of turn. I'm gonna steer full lock to the right. Check it's clear everywhere. I'm then gonna move round to the right using the available room. So that's as much room as I've got here today. I'll just show you that. Now let's put our focus back on the mirror, and we see that we can see some lines. I'm looking for the line that is close to the left-hand side of our car. At the moment I can see 2 lines. One of them is very short. We are not looking at that one. We are looking for a gap to the line on the left. And we want to put that line on the left-hand side of our car. Now, when we first start doing bay parking, of course, we don't know how much steering to put on. It's a bit of a guess. I'm gonna guess half a turn of steering. Now I'm gonna start reversing back to the left, and I'm gonna watch how the car looks like it's curving into that bay. Is it curving in nicely or not enough? What I've noticed is now that the line to the left I'm looking for is not close enough to the car, so if the steering I've done is not enough. So what I'm gonna do, keeping the same steering, I'm gonna move back to where I was. I'm now moving to where I was. Remember, I've kept the steering the same. I'm gonna reverse again, so I know that steering previously was not enough. On this occasion, I'm gonna use 1 full turn of the steering to the left. I'm gonna check it's clear. I'm gonna start reversing, watching how I'm curving in towards that line. Asking myself, is that the right or too much steering perhaps? And I think you'll agree it's looking too much steering. We're gonna cover up that line. We already did. So keeping the same steering, that full 1 turn, I'm gonna move the car forwards. So I get to that start point, which is about there. So we now know that the half turn of steering is not enough. 1 full turn steering is too much. Let's go 3/4 of the turn. Check it's clear. And we're gonna reverse back and see how this works out. This time we can still see that line on the left. It's looking good. I'm a little bit close to it, but it's gonna be in the bay. I'm gonna straighten the wheels. The car is parallel to the line, but it's not fully in the bay yet. That's why I've straightened the wheels. Checking it's clear again, I'm going to reverse back to get fully into the bay. I'm in the bay.